Hi friends, I'm gonna be honest with you. Most of these side hustles that you see online, like how to make money online just by using these side hustles and all that, most of them they really don't work. And if they work, you really cannot make a reasonable amount of money as promised, and that's the reason people always keep finding the best side hustle to do, and later on they come to find that this side hustle doesn't pay me well and all that. So in today's video I corrected 5 side hustles that can really pay you a reasonable amount of money, and the good thing is that some of these side hustles I have experience with, and I will show you like how much these side hustles have paid me so far. I will show you the payment proof, and you won't have to worry anything about these side hustles that I'm coming to show you right now. But I just want to say that all these side hustles that I'll be mentioning in this video, they're not get rich quickly and all that, like you can make $10,000 tomorrow and all that. No, all these side hustles that I'm going to show you right now, they require consistency, effort, and little skills. So join with me as we dive in and see all these side hustles that you can really start today and start making money. And the good thing about this is that you have to watch until the end of this video so you can see all this payment proof on how much I made and how I started these side hustles and how good is this side hustle. So let's now dive in. This is our first side hustle that you can start this year 2026, and you can start making at least $200, $500, up to $1,000. And this one is coming more and more common every single day. This one is called AI assistance. There are a lot of companies right now, they need someone who is really good at AI, is really good at ChatGPT, is really good at Canva, is really good at using different AI tools. There are a lot of companies right now, they are looking for a person like that, and they're ready to pay you up to $300 a month, up to $1,000 a month. So all you want to do right now, you need to be really good at AI, and you just don't need to be that expert. You can start learning every single time and start providing these AI services to local business or different companies, and at the end of the time you can start making money. I'm pretty sure that right now there are a lot of companies, there are a lot of local businesses, they are looking for someone who can be able to start writing captions for their content on Instagram or TikTok, and they can pay you a reasonable amount of money. So you can use AI tools to write content. You can use AI tools for different marketing strategies, and you can make sure that this company is going to succeed. And you are the reason this company is going to succeed because you are using AI, and you can get paid just by providing assistance in a given company or given local business. So this one is very important. And how do you get these jobs? You can get these jobs by reaching out to different companies or local business, and you have to tell them that you're really good at AI, how far you think you can take this business to the next level. And I'm pretty sure that if you have this strong point, they will take you, and you can start providing AI assistance and you can get money. So other way for you to get this job is that you need to go ahead and join on these platforms that is called Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms, there are a lot of business there are a lot of companies are going there to look for a person just like you who can be able to provide AI assistance, and they get paid a reasonable amount of money. So that was our first side hustle that you can start and make at least $1,000 up to $2,000. It just depends on how big the company is. So right now, let's go to our next one. All right, so this one is very good way for you to start making at least $500 a month, up to $1,000 a month. Remote jobs, there are a lot of companies right now, they are looking for a person who can just work from comfort of their home and you get paid. There are a lot of companies right now, and for you to get these companies, you need to go to this website which is called Indeed, and you can see all these tasks that are available on Indeed, like data handling and customer support. So if like you're really good at communication, you can start providing this service on these different companies that looking for customer care support. And if you apply to these companies, you can start making money. I have seen other companies are paying $20 per 1 hour. So if you're ready to do that, you can absolutely go to this website which is called Indeed, and you can search all these tasks, and you can find that people are ready to pay you money just by communicating with customers. So all you want to do is you have to go to Indeed and see all these tasks, but also you can find this work on Amazon. And the good thing about Amazon, you can get paid on a weekly basis, $500 up to $1,000, and you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. This is trusted platform. So if you really want to make such amount of money, you can apply to different remote jobs that are available on Amazon and Indeed and all that. So this one is really working in 2026. Right now, let's go to our next one. A lot of companies right now, they have their own Instagram accounts, they have TikTok account to promote their business, to make sure that they reach customers, they reach audience to different places around the world. And the only way to reach customers is by having social media accounts. It can be Instagram or TikTok. So you can reach out to different companies and ask for them if you can become their official social media manager. If these companies, they're going to let you in that position, that means you'll be the person who is responsible on posting, replying to comment, and coming up with different ideas about content to make sure that this company is reaching out to different audience and is attracting a lot of customers and all that. So you'll be the person responsible for handling this social media. And just by being that kind of person who is ready to post, to comment, and to be responsible about everything concerning social media, you can be in a position to make $500. You can be in a position to be making at least $1,000. And I have a lot of my friends, they are doing this job and they are making at least $400 here and there, and this is very incredible way to start making money, and it really works in 2026. So I think if I had to recommend, this one is the best side hustle that you can start today. So let's go to our next one. The other one is short form video editing. There are a lot of companies right now. There are a lot of business right now. There are a lot of creators right now. They don't have time to sit and editing these videos and post on their social media. So all you want to do right now, if you're really good to edit either reels or shorts and all that, you can start editing these reels and shorts for different creators, and these creators will pay you just by editing their shorts and reels. And how are you really going to get money just by doing that? You can get paid just by doing that. You can get paid up to $100. You can get paid $50, $100, $150. So how are you going to get this client that will be willing to work with you and pay you? So the only easy way for you to get these customers or clients, you need to join on this platform, which is called Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms is a place that there are a lot of people going there to look for people who can edit their video in a very short time, and they pay you a reasonable amount of money. So this one is very, very common and is very trusted as well. So the next one is online tutoring. So if you have any talent, it can be that you really know how to cook, it can be that you know how to edit videos, it can be that you're really good at content creation. So there are a lot of people that need to learn your skills. You can start making money by providing courses and also by teaching people like how to do this and doing this. You may have talent, but you just don't know that you can sell that talent that you have by providing courses, also by teaching people online and all that, and you can make reasonable amount of money. I have people that I know, they make up to $2,000 by teaching people their skills on how to prepare content and how to make a good videos, how to edit videos. Just by providing these courses, people are making up to $2,000 a month. So if you're also going to start do the same thing, you can start making money. You don't have to overlook your talent. It can be very good way to monetize and start making money through your talent. It can be to cook, to sing. Just go ahead and sell that talent, and you have to sell that skill. You can see people are ready to pay for it, and you can start making money. So this one is very good, especially in this year 2026. Everyone wants to make money. So the only way that made me a reasonable amount of money, and I think this side also, a lot of people, they are kind of afraid to go all in on this side hustle, but I think this is the best side hustle that everyone can go ahead and start this side hustle. And this one is called content creation. I've made more than $65,000. I can say that $70,000 up to now just by creating content. I have multiple YouTube channels, and this one channel itself, as you can see, it made more than $65,000 only on this channel, and I have other multiple YouTube channels. I'm making at least $1,000 up to $2,000 a year. So it's very good way for you to start making money just by creating content. And there are a lot of platforms right now. You can go ahead and start creating content. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, it can be TikTok. You can start getting paid by AdSense, and also there are a lot of things like through brand deals. So if you're really going to start any side hustle this year, I think I've mentioned the best side hustle that you can start. And the very good thing about these content creation side hustle is that you can create content without showing your face. As for me, this channel that I have, I never showed my face, but it made me more than $65,000. So you don't have to show your face to make this kind of money. You can just using AI voices and all that, and you can start making money. So if you really want to know like the whole content creation journey, I can just make a video about it. And all you want to do right now, you just have to comment here video, and I will start explaining on the next video maybe on how to start creating content and to make such amount of money using content creation. So this one is very good way, and you don't have to wait for expensive equipment and all that. So among all of these, and if I had to pick two things that can make me really money this year, I could say number one is content creation. This one is very important, guys. Please, if you have time, if you think you can do it, go ahead and start creating content, because that can be life-changing opportunity. But also, if I had to pick number two, I say that I could have choose um, social media management. I could have reached out to different companies, to different local business, and asked them if I can be their social media manager, and they can pay me at least $1,000 a month, which is really good. So I think this one also is very important. And also the next one is AI assistant. There are a lot of companies right now, they are starting to adapt using AI. So if you're going to use AI to provide a value in a company, these companies, I think there will be companies, a lot of companies which will be looking for you just to provide this service for them, and you can start getting paid. So this one is it for today, guys. So thanks so much, and I really hope that these side hustles that you're gonna start this year, they're gonna be really good for you. Just don't give up and keep working so hard and be consistent. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time.